Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera kelas. Welcome back. Alright, in business mathematics today we learn the last chapter, which is transportation model in business math. Alright, so this is the last topic. Alright, so in transportation model we calculate by the reason we want to identify which destination is a lower cost. Alright, so for example, we want to sell the harum manis, for example. So by which route ataupun jalan yang mana yang the lower cost, right? So in transportation model, we have three methods, alright. The first is northwest corner rules, right? In northwest corner rules also they have two different calculation, which is first the demand and supply is equal. Another one is demand in supply is not equal. And then the second is least cost method. Alright, it's also same. The first they have a demand and demand and supply is equal. Another two is demand and supply is not equal. And last is a stepping stone method. Right. Today in this session, I will teach you calculate the transportation based northwest corner rules. Alright. Okay. So normally in question for final exam, for example, they they like to ask you by using in this topic. Alright. So the first one, they have three tables. The first table is the which is the production of weekly production, right? This is the first table. And then second is the demand, right? Table for the demand. And third table, this table is cost table. Okay. This one is demand table, and when we call it production is a supply table. Right. For example, they have a 3 farm. Let's say they have a 3 farm. For the production, for the weekly production, for farm A 300, for farm B is 420, C 600. For demand, market W, we have 4 market, W, X, Y, and Z. Right? They have also different demand. So what you want to do, you have to construct this table. Say from, that means from farm or from farm. Alright, so from A, from B, and from C. And then to the market, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, then you have to write down that is supply and the one is demand. So demand is below and then supplies is here. Alright, so A they have to supply 300. A they supply 300, so this 300 come from here, and then B 420, C 600. Okay, and then for the table, from the table you have to write down the demand. So W is 280, so you write down 280 X 200, Y 360, Z 480. Alright, and then you already construct the table, supply table and demand table. Alright, another one, you have to construct cost table. So in this table stated that a supply from A to W, the cost is 28 ringgit. So you A to W 28 ringgit. A to X 18, Y 32, and Z 36. Right? Then when we using north corner rules, northwest corner rule, so now we have to put the supply and demand. So let's see. A they can supply 300, but W only only demand 280. So you have to put 280. Okay? Tak boleh lebih daripada 280 lah. Alright? So tapi walaupun macam tu, dia boleh supply 300. So the balance we put here 20. Okay? And then B they can supply 420, but X only demand 200. But in X we already have 2 here, 20 here. So just put 180. Okay, this one settles, this one settles, this one settles, but in here is not settled. Alright? So 180, the balance we put, the balance is 240. Okay, 240 times 180, we get 420. Okay, so this one is settled, but in here is not settled, so it is 120. Okay, and then lastly, okay, this one settled. Lastly, the balance is 480. So this one is accurate. Okay, and then I forgot to state that the supply in demand, the amount is same, which is 1,330. Should be same. It's not same, you have to go to another method. Alright. So this is not corner rules. So the testing is from here. Rules and regulations starting here. Alright. Now we have to calculate the transportation cost. Right? So how to calculate transportation cost? We have put the route first. Right? And also the cost. Okay. So A to W. And then A to X. A to W, the amount is 280 times 28. So then total you will get 7840. Okay, and then A to X is 20 times 80, and then you will get 360. Okay, and then you have to B to X. Okay, B to X, 180 times 16. You will get 2880. Okay, so I continue in the middle, in the bottom. Alright, B to X, B to Y, and then C to X, C to Z. Okay, B to X, B to X here, alright, B to Y. Okay, B to Y, 250 times 40, C to X, C to Y, 120 times 20, and then 480 times 36. So we will get this one 3360, and then this one 2400, and then 7717 total is 34,120. Right? So